Can you conduct an accessibility audit using only automated tools? No, you cannot. And this is regardless of what tools you're using. So we can have everything available to us, multiple scans, different AI specialty tools, browser extensions, other applications and or software. And we're not going to be able to conduct an audit through automation. Now, these tools can be very helpful. They can help us find issues faster and reduce our incidence of error, but a limit is going to be hit. And this is in part because the WCAG success criteria are layered. So, for most of the technical requirements, it's not as if there must be a single condition met and we just look at whether that condition is met, yes or no. There are multiple considerations to take into account when deciding whether a digital asset is conformant or not. So because of that, automation hits a limit, and it's a very early limit. We're not even close to being able to conduct an audit through automation. And this is even with the advancements in artificial intelligence. So, the way to think about automated tools is they're more for practitioners. So, they're more for the auditor who is conducting your accessibility audit than they are for you as a client. Now, if you're going beyond an audit and VPAT service, for example, and you are building in accessibility to, or you're working on your own accessibility program and you want to add in automated tools, then it makes sense. What I always advise clients is only purchase a tool if you know exactly what it does and what its limitations are and how it's going to help you. What I see all too often is that consumers in this market are buying tools and they don't understand exactly what those tools do and do not do. And because of that, they end up wasting money on really tools that distract them from what they're really after, which is full WCAG conformance. And that's really getting back to the point of this video, is that automated tools are not going to get you to full WCAG conformance. And this is especially true for scans. So many people purchase scans mistakenly and work towards this 100% scans score when they don't realize that all of their progress is entirely skewed because they're working towards 100% on a scan and not full WCAG conformance. So automated tools are very helpful, but they are also very limited. And it's so important that you know those limitations. And that's why automated tools should be mostly reserved for practitioners, or when organizations understand what the roles of these different tools are. So that is going to do it for this video. This is just one of many where I answer frequently asked questions about accessibility audits. I will include a link to the entire playlist in the description, as well as other resources to help you with your accessibility project. So that will do it for this video. We will continue on with the next.